We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian Dolce vita. Venite con noi. Right, Sunday morning, buona domenica. We're off to the vintage market and then we're going to go have some breakfast, maybe along the seafront. So
yes, a nice fresh morning. Today is lovely and sunny.
Beautiful day. Let's go. So this week we decided to just film the food side of the market and just to let you listen to the little chatter of the people in the market. So enjoy.
Va bene così.
Siamo? Va bene così. Qua 4 euro questi qua. Io sono da piccolo, allora come ho fatto? Certo, poi volevo.
Buongiorno.
Sto solo guardando che mi meraviglio ogni volta.
Yeah, gorgeous. Oh, doggy. Wow, it's buzzing this morning, hey Mas?
A lot of people going and coming and doing whatever they want.
My favorite spot. All of them are favorites. Stunning.
Cotton tree.
This one.
Right, so today has been absolutely relaxing, lovely morning.
This morning, it's been great, yeah.
We're going to go now and we're going to finish up your sister's bed at Tenerife.
Yeah.
We're halfway.
Yeah.
So we've got the other half to do now.
Let's go then.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first thing I got from the vintage market is this beautiful stone, I don't know what you'd call it, plaque. The problem is, Massi needs to put a hole in it, otherwise I can't put it on the wall. I did give it a bit of a whitewash because it was this colour. It was really dull and horrible. So that's the one thing we got, which I'm very happy with because it'll go with my gallery wall of stucco plaques. The thing that I got is this beautiful old map of Sicily already in its frame, black and gold frame. I mean, better than this it couldn't be to go in the bathroom. Love, 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 love. And if I tell you how much that cost, €3. and it was just calling, saying, put me up in the bathroom. And then the other thing that I got is this stunning painting already in its frame, and that was €6, which was a bargain as well, which has now completed the wall, the gallery wall of gold frame pictures. And yeah, I absolutely love it. It's very dramatic. Okay, we are back home now, and we have decided we're going to build my sister's sofa bed. So that's going to take us hopefully about an hour. We did start a week ago and that took us an hour. So now we're going to complete the bed, and then we'll have some lunch and relax. And it's a beautiful day today. We are supposed to be going out. Massi?
Oh.
Are you ready?
No, not quite.
Not quite. He hasn't even done his hair. Anyway, we're going out this morning because we need to buy a few little plants for our garden, and we're going to try and do as much as we can this morning, although I haven't got a lot of time. Massi's got the day off. I've got to be at work by 3 p.m, so it's cutting it really short. So let's see if we can hurry up. I'm taking over while Massi's getting ready. Lavender's doing pretty well. And here we have another mummy. There's always one of them that's pregnant. You ready?
Yeah.
Yay, let's go.
Buongiorno. Right, everyone. Enough grass for everyone today. Have a good day. Bye.
And here we are. Lots and lots of plants. Let's see if they've got this rosemary. Va bene.
fare un giro, no? Grazie.
Yeah, same thing. They said March. March, all the, you know, kitchen herbs are going to be coming in. So we're just going to have a little look around in the meantime. There's your lily, Mas. The back. Yeah, we're far too early for all the things that we need to get. But we're having a little look around. I honestly don't want any more indoor plants because I've got far too many.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Nice selection of baskets. Okay, so no luck at the garden center. We went to 3 different ones. One was closed actually. So what we're going to do is we're just going to plant what we have. We have some beetroot. I have some proteas, which a South African aunt, Massi's aunt, gave us to plant. So I'm eager to plant those. Beetroot we love. Gladiolas, first time I'm ever going to do that plant. Marigold I've done a couple of times and they work beautifully. And then I have some cosmos seeds from a friend's house here in Sicily. I picked last spring I dried them all year. Let's see if these will take this year. And then we've got some giant spinach seeds. I don't know. These I picked with a friend, and they were a beautiful, I don't even know what they are, but it's a pink flower, so I'll try that. And yeah, that's it. Massi's making some perlite soil, which he's done before, and that will help with the growing of the plants. I wonder who that is. All right, so Massi's trying to make some pearl mix. Is that right, Mass?
It's a bit of perlite. So
Perlite, sorry.
Yeah, it's getting a bit of air inside the soil.
All right.
Along the road, I've learned a bit about potting, so making a bit of good mix is ideal for the plants, especially now that we're planting them.
So what's that, Mas?
Okay, it's what you call azzolo, so it's a mixture of, it's got sulfur in it, it's got a bit of poop from animals, big animals like cows and horses.
Lovely.
Chicken as well.
Okay. All helps with,
Fertilization.
fertilization, yeah.
To make the soil healthier for the plants.
Alright, so while Massey's making that amazing concoction, the postman came. Very nice. It goes beautifully. So you put your toothbrushes, then you press a button and it sanitizes everything. Very nice. Got that.
Really?
Yeah, look. Look at that.
What the?
You put your toothbrushes in here. This is where you put your toothpaste in and you squish.
Is there a place for my false teeth?
If you had some, yeah, we would make some space. There we go. We're going to be hanging these up in the bathroom soon, and then we'll show you the end result. Okay, I think I made a mistake with the towel size.
You think? You think?
Mas.
Yeah, I don't even want to look at it.
Anyway, I ordered like 5 of these. Doesn't matter. And then this is like a little rug. That's quite nice. I like that. Remember which way they go in?
Okay.
I have to remember now. Okay. Okay, so we've just done a few little things here, a few flowers, some beetroot. Let's see how that goes. Massey's going to get the tube, water tube, and we're just going to wash all this mess down. Look at our almond tree. In 1 week, it has got so many beautiful flowers. The bees are loving it. Massey's multitasking, speaking on the phone and washing down the porch.
What do you mean I wasn't with you? What are you talking about?
So before the oranges finish, I want to pick some good, I'm going to try and find some blood oranges and make a nice salad for lunch. Improvisation lunch, some bruschetta, then we've got, Massey's got hot dogs, which I hate, leftover cottage pie, we've got some chili peppers, some salame, and some mushrooms alla pizzaiola. Buon appetito!
Buono appetito!
And while we were potting our seeds, the little lawnmower did its job, and I just want to show you how amazing and straight it cut our lawn. absolutely incredible. And we've got a bit of an uneven lawn, so it's done an amazing job. Think of the lawnmower that did it so straight.
I have never ever seen a lawn this straight before. It's like,
definitely not ours.
It's like basically being cut blade by blade.
With a little nail clipper.
Yeah, with the small little blades. The effect is beautiful.
It is nice. Okay, and here is the last tour of our bathroom, I promise you. We've put up all the bathroom towel racks, and yeah, the curtains are up and they're looking gorgeous. I love the gold bits together with the mirror and the pictures and the little tray. And the chandelier just looks amazing. What do you think? Oh yes, and I'm also very happy with the new addition to my stone and gesso plaques on the wall. And then just when you think everything's going absolutely fine, Massi ended up in A&E at the hospital. He had a fall and he hurt his back. He's been inside for about 2.5 hours. I'm in this waiting area, which is really nice, the waiting area, but obviously waiting is annoying. He's had some x-rays done and we're just waiting for the results, so we'll keep you updated. All I can say is thank goodness that I had this wonderful waiting area. I had a table and chair, a television, I had a wonderful view. I could go out for a bit of a walk. The bathroom was extremely clean and tidy, and yes. Oh. Okay, so we're back home. Yesterday we spent half the morning in A&E, in Pronto Soccorso at the hospital.
Yeah.
Because, tell them what happened, Mas.
A couple of days ago, I was getting rid of some branches that had been cut because of pruning a tree. Unfortunately, it happened that I was in the wrong position. I pulled a branch. I fell over backwards because I tripped on a rock. Mm-hmm. And I smashed my back on a very short wall. And I really hit it hard. I thought I had fractured something, my pelvis area. Maybe. It was very painful and is still very painful. So I'm moving like very slowly, like a sloth.
And Massi's got a really high threshold.
Yeah, my pain threshold is really high.
He never complains. I've never seen him moan or complain. When I saw his face, I just knew straight away that he had done something.
Yeah, it was.
But he didn't want to go that afternoon to A&E, so he preferred to sleep the night, be in pain, and then the next day I was like, we're going.
The only reason being is that I didn't want to obviously hear what happens when you go to the hospital. They put you in certain categories. So it's like goes in colors, and I would have been in the lowest color, which means the lowest priority. And they would have made us wait very long, especially at night, because there's only a couple of doctors on
probably
duty.
Would have waited all night.
So we would have been there all night. So I waited till the morning. We got in the car in the morning, and we slowly made our way to the hospital. And we actually, what was it, about 4 hours?
Yeah, it wasn't too bad.
3 or 4 hours.
The important thing is that he has had x-rays and he has no fracture, but he has to go back in 15 days if he still has pain.
Within 15 days, if I still have what the doctor said, within 15 days, if I still have a lot of pain, I should go back and then need to do a CAT scan.
Yeah.
Because he didn't want to expose me to more radiation, because obviously after your x-ray, you're exposed to radiation. He says not to expose you to too much radiation. If you're still in pain in a few days, whatever, come back and we'll do a CAT scan, which is more radiation. So
it might be a little micro,
like a mini fracture, which they didn't really see with the first x-ray.
We hope not, but he's moving very slowly, which is not like Massi, but yeah, so he's on the mend very, very slowly. So we thought we'd just let you know, because obviously this week is
Our
going to be
activities are going to be low, so yeah.
very low.
Yeah.
But it's fine. We'll do our best. We'll see what we can do.
We'll provide what we can for your, you know, for your, obviously for your viewing, which we enjoy doing, obviously.
Yes, but we're limited, obviously.
We've, unfortunately, sorry guys, I've limited our activities.
Thanks, Mas. So selfish.
Things happen.
Anyway, I've got to go to the shops, and then I have to go to work at 3. And Massi's just going to take it easy, soak a bit of sun rays, and
Absolutely.
I'll be back. Yes, I've just learned that you never ever take anything for granted, and treat every day as if it's your last day, and be kind to people, help people when you can, and stay away from drama and toxic people. That's my motto. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this week's video. We will have hopefully another one next week, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Ciao, alla prossima.